everyone, and Tashi the Lake. Welcome back to my another video. And today in this video I am going to show a powerful Vajrayana Buddhist practice to remove obstacles and for the purification and restoring the samaya and accumulating the merits puja, which is we call Ngakso Sadhana Puja. So this was happened in Manang Samaj Gumba with working Tulku Rumurche Monastery, Ka-Nying Shedrub Ling, and our monastery, Shedrub Ling, together. So we perform Ngakso Sadhana Puja, and this puja is so many blissful and like so many, and I hope this video really gives you a positive energy and guide you in the right path, and may the life of pure become chance and filled with happiness, success, and all your may wishes be true, and may all the obstacles be removed and life become more spiritual. So I hope you will love this video and enjoy this video. So without wasting time, let's watch full video. So let's go and touch the lake.